Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm looking very sporty. You haven't seen me very sporty on this channel, but this is literally what I'm living in on a daily. In today's video, we are going to do a full face of first impressions, and I'm so freaking excited because I have so many products here today, which I've been dying to try out for the longest time, but I've been saving them for a video like this. So if you're interested what kind of products we are going to test out today, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi. My name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like your kind of thing, then I would kindly suggest to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, which is every week. And also don't forget to join me on Instagram at Ammunition. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. As the title kindly suggests, we are testing out a full face of first impressions. We are going to start out with the first product, and this is from KANDI Cosmetics. This is the Pre-Glow Up Mist. It looks like this. Ooh. Okay, something tells me I should give it a shake. That's what she said, people. It does remind you of the iconic London setting spray. It says you can use it before or after makeup, so it's both a primer and a setter. Nice mist. And now I just glowed up my table. Nice. But I have to say, based on my previous experience with Iconic London, that actually has a better spray and a better spread than that. Okay, moving on, we have foundation, and for that we are going to test out the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, which I'm pretty sure you all know, but I haven't tried it before, so hence the first impressions. Put it on our face and pretty much pray that this color is going to match us. Well, hello coverage. Okay, so the color matching is decent. I would say it's a bit too light, maybe. It is definitely full coverage, and it has a very heavy, thick consistency. I can see it's very dewy finish, which I'm not mad about, but it's definitely a few shades lighter than it should have been, even though it doesn't look like that in the bottle. And then we are going to move on to the next thing that we have for today, and that is the Figs&Rouge Glow Drops, which look like this. It's a very cute pink packaging. It has a little droplet, which I'm going to press on my beauty blender. It does have a bit of a pink vibe to it somehow, so it would be more of a blush, maybe, if you build it up. But for £28, no girl. Moving on, we have a blush palette, and we are going to use the Laura Geller Hollywood Blushing Baked Trio. And this is how the palette looks like. It's very nice and cute, I have to say. Oh, and the pans are like big. Wow, that's a nice copper, which has a beautiful heart in the middle of it. Yeah, that's pink, all right. The last one, she's like this. So this is more of a rose gold. I'm going to swirl my brush around. I have to say that's really pretty. Moving on, we have a bronzer from Bareminerals, and this is the Faux Tan All Over Face color. I'm going to take my Morphe bronzer brush. I'm gonna go in it. Yep, that's a beautiful bronzer, and it's going to last ages because you barely need anything from it. It's really pigmented. Okay, next up we have a brow gel, and we have the ModelCo Clear Brow Gel, which is very nice and pink. Okay, so this is how the brow gel looks like. It has a nice clear gel. Let's try it out. We are going very natural with the brows today. I have to say this looks really nice. Next up we move on to eyeshadow, and for that we are going to use the sleek iDivine eyeshadow palette, and this little guy retails for £8.99. This eyeshadow palette has a very nice pastel kind of vibe to it, and I'm living for it. So I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Ferris Wheel. I know it's like very pastel, but it doesn't have very much pigment to it, and it does have quite a bit of fallout to it. I'm going to move on to this purple right here. I wish it was more pigmented than this. Next up we have a mascara, and this is the Eyeco Black Magic Mascara. This little guy retails for £19. Okay, so the one is, it's bent in a way and it's fluffy. So do not know what to say about that, so let's give it a go. Okay, so this mascara definitely does its job. I'm going to quickly pop off camera, put on some lashes, and come right back. I am back with some lashes on, and I have to say, I'm not mad about it. Like, I know they're pastels, and like I said, it could have been more pigment on the palette, but this doesn't look half bad. Moving on to the last product for today, we have a lip product. This is a liquid lipstick from Jordana Ticia, and this is in the shade Shady Lady. Ooh, and it's very creamy. This is literally like a butter. It's so soft. I do look like a little bit of a robot, but I have to say I'm enjoying this look so far. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am in love with how this look turned out. It's very different and very pastel, kind of metallic-y vibe, which I have to say I'm kind of living for. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and I have to say I am really enjoying the metallic look. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also don't forget to join me on Instagram at Ammunition. Until next time, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye!